The magic of modern woodworking machines with advanced technology will make you unable to take your eyes off the screen. Follow their work to better understand the process of creating beautiful wooden products. Please like and subscribe to the channel to receive more luck tomorrow. Start with the Hammerhead GS44XL3/4 circular saw, a powerful tool known for its ability to cut through large panels of wood with ease and speed. The Kubota SVL75 is a compact, flexible and powerful wheel loader that easily handles heavy loads and overcomes difficult terrain with ease. What sets the Kubota SVL75 apart is its exceptional lifting capabilities, with the ability to lift up to 2,900 pounds and shred logs evenly, making it ideal for a variety of tasks. It plays an important role in the forestry industry with its ability to quickly and efficiently peel bark, significantly reducing manual labor and increasing productivity. With 100% cutting accuracy, these advanced machines create high-quality wood products that serve other processing stages well. Here are some interesting moments recorded. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel to support us. Giant standing tall among many tree trunks, this peeling machine turns ugly tree trunks into beautiful logs with its powerful mechanism. With its range of advanced machinery and skilled workforce, the sawmill is considered a beacon of innovation and productivity in the woodworking industry, helping to minimize waste and maximize the use of all wood resources. Equipped with a high-capacity hydraulic system, the Hahn processor can cut wood at exceptional speeds, processing up to 10 cords of firewood per day. It can produce an impressive volume of firewood in a short amount of time compared to traditional methods. It is surprising the ability to process hardwood tree trunks with modern machinery with advanced processes, helping to prepare firewood for winter quickly and save time. With the ability to seamlessly cut wood with precision and speed, the woodcutter is a marvel of efficiency. It can process impressive quantities of wood per hour. Its versatility makes the Homelight 3100G chainsaw an indispensable asset for loggers, with the ability to tackle multiple tasks efficiently. This perfect combination of operator and machine produces equally beautiful logs with great precision. The Halverson HWP 140 billion is a powerhouse in the forestry industry, now in operation, easily tackling the most difficult wood processing tasks. It effectively splits large logs into manageable pieces, increasing productivity on the construction site. The V8 chainsaw easily cuts through dense wood panels, ensuring a smooth and efficient wood processing process from forest to factory. In addition to sheer power, the Cenobridgen 355E also offers unprecedented versatility, making it an indispensable asset in various industries. If you are impressed with the wood processing process, please comment below. I will mention it to you in the next video. The efficiency and reliability of the wood splitter make it an indispensable asset to firewood producers, loggers and forestry operations worldwide with its ability to efficiently process incredible wood. The logs processed by this advanced machine will be transported to sawmills for further processing. This dynamic duo plays a key role in forestry, with the Weidmann 1240's lifting capacity of up to 1.2 tons and the Hahn HFP 150's wood handling capabilities helping to streamline tasks such as loading, transporting and sawing wood easily. The Alaska Strongway chainsaw can handle logs up to 36 inches in diameter and 13 feet long, supporting woodworking projects with precision and reliability. Operating at a capacity of approximately 20,000 board feet per shift, the sawmill plays a key role in providing lumber for construction, furniture manufacturing, and many other industries. The High 1 generator is a cornerstone of power generation reliability. With a capacity of 1 megawatt, helps Homelight ECS20 handle wood easily. The innovative Dibble wood processor that plays a key role in streamlining wood processing operations, increasing productivity and reducing labor costs for firewood manufacturers and lumber yards. These devices are very important for modern forestry. The use of technology helps people save a lot of time and effort. Thank you for watching all the videos. See you in the next video.